Shelli, Pelly, Annie Parker Confidential. Welcome to my kitchen in Solana Beach, California. I love holiday baking, and if you are watching this video, you are right there with me on it. All right, so these are really, really easy chocolate Almond-Joy quinoa bites. Now ladies, I make these year round because they're nice to have around the house as a little snack, but all I did this time is I drizzled a little no sugar chocolate over the top and sprinkled some no sugar candy canes to just give them a really pretty, adorable holiday feel. Okay, let's wash our hand and let me quickly show you how I did it.
Down through the chimney.